the heck are you doing here, Lanny? Well, it's the middle of a cold snap, and it's a good idea to clean your heaters, because it's not heating as well as it could be. So, I'm going to turn that baby off, but it's pretty easy. Just got to remove some screws, and we're good to go, basically. Just these case screws. And then I have to take this one off. And I don't think you have to take that one off. If I recall. Maybe you do. Yeah, you can see it's this date. You can usually get quite a bit of gunk out of these. Don't let them fool you. It's a good idea, especially if you wear a mask of some kind. This is the most pain in the ass part. You gotta like hold it under there and like do a bunch of stuff. This is one of those kinds of things that would be better if you had an extra person. It's kind of a pain. Three screws left. I think the cat stole them on me. Put them in my pocket, I thought. But just can't find them. Alright, I polished her up a bit. Are we gonna die? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it feels way warmer. Obviously, it's a little subjective, but I thought about whipping out a thermostat. And plus, you won't have risk of lighting on fire and dying in the middle of the night if you use it all night. But yeah, this one's an infrared, so it just gets coated. Oh, see, look, it already turned off. Oh, I got the thermostat way low. I've been thinking about doing a video about replacing the bulb, but I just don't care that much. So I just turned the flame intensity down. Because to replace the bulb was just a 40-watt bulb. Oh yeah, that's night and day. Night and day. So yeah, like, subscribe.